Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by assembling ingredients. 2 cups cooked shredded chicken, 10 Oz frozen spinach thawed and squeezed dry, 8 Oz cream cheese softened, 1 cup sour cream, 1 cup grated Parmesan, and 1 cup shredded mozzarella. Mince 3 garlic cloves and measure 1 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a 9-inch oven-proof baking dish. If using fresh spinach, chop 6 cups and sauté briefly to wilt and cool before squeezing out excess moisture. In a large bowl, beat 8 Oz softened cream cheese with 1 cup sour cream until smooth. Stir in 1 cup grated Parmesan, minced garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Fold in 2 cups shredded chicken and the squeezed 10 Oz spinach until evenly distributed. Transfer to the greased 9-inch oven-proof dish, smooth the top, and sprinkle 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella. Bake at 350 degrees F for 20 to 25 minutes until bubbly. Optionally, broil 1 to 2 minutes to brown the top, watching carefully. Serve the chicken spinach dip warm with crostini, tortilla chips, pita wedges, or raw vegetables. This batch yields about 6 to 8 servings. If making ahead, cool to room temperature, cover, and refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze in an airtight container for up to 2 months. Thaw overnight in the refrigerator before reheating. To reheat, place in an oven at 350 degrees F for 15 to 20 minutes until hot and bubbly. For brighter flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon lemon juice or 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes before.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.